The JDU has announced its first list of candidates. We believe 57 names included in that first list. Remember, there are 101 seats that they're going to be fighting from according to the seat sharing arrangement. In the first list, the names that we can mention as of now confirmed on that list: Ratnesh Sada from Sonbarsa, you have Ajay Kushwaha, Meenapur, you have Maheshwar Hazari from Kalyanpur, and Vijay Chaudhary from Sarai Ranjan. Big breaking news coming in. 57 names included in that first list that the JDU has just announced. You have the BJP also that has announced its first list, and now you have the JDU coming out with its first list as well. 57 names included in that first list. Remember, by the 17th of this month, the candidates who are going to be fielded in the first phase have to give in their nominations. Manogya Loiwal joining us live. Manogya, just take us through the list of names announced by the JDU, the big names from that list.
Well, Veena Devi and her daughter, she's an MP and she has been given a ticket, and this was a seat that was being contested and was requested by LJP RV. But besides that, there are a lot more names, important names in the list that have been released this time by JDU, giving you an idea on this is about 57 names that have been released today in the list, and besides that, there will be the rest of the names that are expected to be released today of the candidates. If I could just read out to you that Narendra Narayan Yadav will be contesting from Alamnagar, from Bihariganj, and Niranjan Kumar Mehto will be contesting. Now, Madhepura is an important seat where Kavita Saha has been given the seat, and this is also perhaps one of those important seats that you would see contesting with leaders, important leaders from RJD. And also giving you an idea on Benipur will be Vinay Kumar Chaudhary, otherwise Darbhanga Grameen, which is the rural area, will be Ishwar Mandal. Now, this is a time when they have selected a lot of female faces also being seen in JDU list, and besides that, from Kanti there will be Ajit Kumar. Raghunathpur, very important seat, will be Jishu Singh, and besides that, from Ekma will be Dhumal Singh. From Majhi it will be Radhveer Singh, and from Parsa it will be Chote Lal Rai. Vaishali, an important seat again, will have Siddharth Patel, and Mahendra Ram will be from Raja Pakar. Now, giving you an idea on whether it is Simanchal or whether it is the Magad area or whether it is Patna and the urban area, there are very important names that have been released. Most of the urban areas have been with BJP, considering the vote bank and the strength that they have in this region. But besides that, JDU has been the most important contender. Jamalpur will be Nachiketa Mandal. Now, Pannalal Patel will be from Bildor, and from Nalanda, Shravan Kumar will be contesting from JDU. Mokama Anand Singh, remember, he filed his nomination yesterday. He is known to be a Bahubali of the area, and filing his nomination even before the list was out and released itself speaks volumes about the impression as well as the strength that he enjoys in his area. Mokama also has seen his nomination before the release of the symbol, or rather the release of the list, official list from JDU. Jagdishpur happens to be important, where Bhagwan Singh Kushwaha will be contesting, and from Phulwari, Shyam Rajak. Now, if you guys could give you an idea of Rajpur, where Santosh Kumar Nirala will be contesting elections. Now, these are the names that have been released, but also giving you an idea on Maheshwar Hazari contesting from Kalyanpur, and from Morda, Vidyasagar Singh Nishad. Now, this is also a reflection of all the communities that have been brought together, be it the Malla community, be it the EBC, be it the OBC, or be it the backward classes, that have been brought together in the list in a very, very effective way. There still needs to be a release of more than 40 names in the next list. Is expected in another 48 hours, given the fact that the last date for nomination for the first voting will be around 17th, and then by 20th they have to complete all the process for the next phase of voting too.
Do stay with me, Manogya. Prabhakar also joining us live. Prabhakar, Manogya has just taken us through some of the big names and candidates that the JDU will be fielding. 57 names included in that first list. But what are your sources with the JDU telling you? Are most of the candidates happy with this first list that has been announced?
See, the candidates, especially the ticket aspirants, would never be happy because there are many aspirants who are in queue and only one gets a ticket. But as far as the list is concerned, and after scanning through the list, I can just read you a few prominent names actually, whose candidature would turn those constituencies into VIP constituencies. So, scanning through the list, you have Ratnesh Sada, who is a former minister, who was a sitting minister out here. You have Binay Kumar Chaudhary, a very important guy. Madan Sahni from Bahadurpur, again a minister out here. And then you have Anand Singh from Mokama, a very interesting character, very colorful character. So once he starts his campaign, that would be a reporter's delight actually to cover him. I mean, you have seen how he speaks on camera. You have from Kochai Koti, Amrit Kumar Pandey, who is supposed to be a very heavyweight guy over there, has several criminal cases against him. You have Sunil Kumar from Bhore in Gopalganj. He was a former minister. He was a minister in the present government and also a former bureaucrat. He retired as a DG out here. Then you have Manjeet Singh from Manjeet Singh is from Barauli in Gopalganj. Manjeet Singh is the JDU leader, and he had yesterday actually protested, and he had resigned from the post he was holding, and there was a speculation he had got a wind that he is not getting a ticket or he is being denied a ticket. So he has been included in this list. So that's a very interesting inclusion in the list, and we'll deep dive into this list and actually get to tell you as to what are the caste combinations, what are the caste equations which JDU has tried to balance through this list.
All right, 57 names included in that first list. Manogya and Prabhakar, they're live with us to break it all down for you as they have. We will be breaking down the caste equations on that list as well in a while from now.